Hey everyone, to start out I am doing my toddler's hair using the Aussie conditioner, and this is coconut oil as well that I'll be using, and some water in my spray bottle. There's nothing in my spray bottle but water, and I'm just using the spray bottle and then the coconut oil because I'm using this for me to help detangle her hair, and it's best to detangle hair while it's wet or at least damp versus dry. And then that's when I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. You all will see the whole process also when I'm styling her hair, because you all will get to see the style and the process of that. So just continue watching. If you're new to my channel, hey everyone that's new, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, but also share this video for anyone that it'll be helpful for.
Baby, the sound of you better than a harmony. Yeah, I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking. I bought it 'cause I depend on me. If I wanted to watch I'm wearing, I bought it. The house I live in, I bought it. The car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the way back with the throw your hands up at me. All the money to make you money. Throw your hands up at me. All the mamas who profit dollar. Throw your hands up at me. All the ladies who truly feel it. Throw your hands up at me. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Tell me how you feel about this. Do it how I want, live how I wanna live. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, I just like this knowledge that I brought. Bragging on that cash that he gave you is a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you fund. And don't no one else to give you what you want. Shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking. I bought it 'cause I depend on me. If I wanted the watch I'm wearing, I bought it. The house I live in, I bought it. The car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the way back. All your hands up at me. All the money to make you money. Throw your hands up at me, baby. Profit dollar. Throw your hands up at me. All the ladies who truly feel me. Throw your hands up at me. Get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Destiny's Child.
Boy, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before we drift in deeper. Baby, now hold me close.
Okay, with the very front pieces, as you can see, I did do some coils. Of course, I didn't do her whole head like that because, let's be honest, she's 4. She wasn't going to sit through all of that. And plus, I don't feel like she needed all of that. I just decided to do some coils at the front just to give it some extra definition at the very front. And this is the next day. These are the results of her hair while it is 100% dry. These are the results of my daughter's hair after 5 days. Mind y'all, she only wore a scarf the first 3 days out of the 5, but I actually let her wear this style for 7 days. But this is all. Hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.